The murder trial of the 5 men accused of killing Collins Chabane Mayor Moses Maluleke resumes in the High Court in Polokwane today. The case was postponed last month as one of the new lawyers representing one of the accused did not have records of the trial. Shumani Nemadodzi is now being represented by a legal aid lawyer after he fired his former lawyer. The 5 men are being tried for the shooting of Maluleke at his home village in Xikundu outside Malamulele in July last year. Let's speak to Katleho Nyoni, SABC News reporter following the story. Katleho, good morning. Thank you so much for making time for us. So as it stands currently, is it clear that indeed the trial will go ahead this morning?
Good morning, Aldrin, and to our viewers. Certainly, the trial is expected to resume this morning at the Polokwane High Court, where, of course, the 5 men that stand accused of the 2022 murder of Collins Chabane Mayor Moses Maluleke are set to return here at the Polokwane High Court. We, of course, know that the last appearance in this matter was quite brief. This was to allow the new legal representative that is representing Shumani Nemadodzi, one of the accused, time to acquaint themselves with the case by acquiring the transcripts of the case that had not been done previously. We know that his former lawyer, Peter Lekhodi, had to recuse himself, citing a conflict of interest. Now that matter, Aldrin, is expected to resume this morning here at the Polokwane High Court, but the family now starting to see all of these postponements as delaying tactics. I'm joined by family spokesperson Xikundu Maluleke just to speak to him about how the family is feeling up to this point in the murder trial. Thank you for joining us on SABC News. We've seen yet another delay. The trial had to be held back again when we saw a trial within a trial. Now there is another postponement. There was rather another postponement. What do you anticipate to unfold today at the Polokwane High Court in this trial?
Morning to you and morning to the viewers. As I was saying last, that this is like a delaying tactic, but we believe that now, as the lawyer who said that they want to read the transcripts, those recordings of the previous lawyer, have read that, which means I believe that today there will be proceedings on the case. The case will carry on, will move. As it's not moving, it stands still. And then, and it's killing us, because you must remember, we're not coming from Polokwane, not staying in Polokwane, we're coming from Malamulele, which means we are paying fares and we're paying for hotels and all those things. And now it's killing on our pockets now. As this postponement is carrying on like this, it's killing us, really.
And from what we had the last time, that this lawyer, the legal aid lawyer, that's Shumani Nemadodzi, wants to have this lawyer represent him, needs to sort of be furnished with details or rather the transcript of the case. Do you believe that has happened already?
Yeah, I think I've been given enough time, because looking at the period which we were out or we were not in a court, he might have read that, which means the court must carry on now. I don't think there should be any postponement. He was given enough time to read those things.
Mr. Maluleke, thank you very much for your time. That is the family representative of the late Collins Chabane Municipality Mayor Moses Maluleke. Xikundu Maluleke, mentioning that they are not from Polokwane and they have to travel from Malamulele all the way to Polokwane whenever this trial resumes, saying that they hope that there will not be any further delays. We expect this matter to certainly resume here at the Polokwane High Court this morning. Aldrin?